Hello people, welcome back. Friday night garage night. Hope you've all had a good new year. Apologies for last week, but I've had a lot to do with my work and stuff, so that's me officially retired. So after 30 years with the company, so I'm happy with that. So I spend more time in the garage and guitars and all that sort of stuff. And,
All the good stuff.
all the good stuff, aye. So I'd just like to thank everybody who's been watching over the past few months. Obviously there's too many to mention, obviously, you know what I mean, but you know who you are, and just thanks very much. Tonight we're going to do the backlights panels, going to get them on,
Aye, try and get your
and then
the bottom balance as well. You see the
the step, we'll do the step, and then we'll see how we got on with that, and see if we can maybe start putting on the rear valance and the quarter panels as well, that join onto the valance too. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Hi people, welcome back. This is done for the night. That took us longer than what we thought it was going to take. It was quite pretty tricky that, but we've got them on, so we've got the step to do next time, and then we can finish off. Once we get the step in, get the alignment for the actual tailgate itself, and then that's us just about almost there for the welding anyway. So I'd like to give a shout out to Stu. Is it Stu Mini Lockup?
Classic Mini Lockup.
Stu Classic Mini Lockup, because he's coming on absolutely great with his wee sort of his club, and you know he's in a lockup and and the generator, and he was going to scrap it until I had to look at hours, and he's had to change of heart, and you know I'll take my hat off to him because he's doing a great job with that. So if you've not seen it, you know it's worth having a look. You know where he's working from and that, and you know, thumbs up to the man, honestly. So yeah, so you know if you've not seen it, go and have a look at that. Right, so I'll show you around what we've done. You can see, start from this side, looking nice in there. That panel's a wee bit bumpy there.
I tried to do one for moving, he would bash them straight first, but
yeah,
it went the other way.
So there's a wee bit of dolly work, just a wee bit there to do. But it does look good. It does look good. Same one here. You see, it's quite hard to see. Same on that side, yeah. Once we get the caps for the top, along the top, so I can get them ordered, get them. And then obviously we can get the step in. Ready for the tailgate to go in, and then the same with the. It's looking nice. So I'm happy with that. It's all coming together. It's all coming together now. So just a wee bit more to do over the next few weeks, and then hopefully we'll get my jig up and get that done, because I want to get it up on the jig, and
halfway point.
Yeah, that's the halfway point. That's most of the welding all done. A few bits and pieces to do at the door check there. We can get that all sorted and get the rest of that, all the bracing taken out, and we can start underneath and do things underneath of the car. You know, any welding to be finished off, and obviously for painting underneath, fuel pipes, stuff like that. I'll be happy with that, brake lines and that sort of stuff. And then I'm going to see about this as well. We'll make a start on that. I've left that till last day for obvious reasons, because I haven't done it before. So it'll be the first time for that to do that. So if not, then if I can't get it off, I have to bite the bullet and get another one. But we're going to give it a go, like I say, and then tackle the roof. Once that tailgate bit's finished and that windy there's finished, then we'll go on the roof and try that. Because as you can see, it's lying there, which is off a saloon. So fingers crossed that should go well. I have looked online on YouTube and that to do what other boys have done with their, you know, like some roof chops and things like that. So we don't know if to just take the skin off and try and take the welds out of that, you know what I mean. But I've seen Matt Green doing his, and that's a lot of bloody work, you know what I mean. And there are easy ways to do that, you know, by cutting the pillars, doing it. But again, it's got to be absolutely spot on. So we'll have a good think about that. But we've got plenty of time, probably another 2 or 3 weeks' time. We should sort of approach that. But I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen tonight, and we'll see you again next week. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.